Imagine creating a full-length, high-definition movie, complete with visual effects, sound design, voice acting, and cinematic quality, without a single camera, actor, or expensive editing software. Sounds like science fiction? Not anymore. Welcome to AI CGI-VFX Studio, the revolutionary platform that's redefining how we tell visual stories. This isn't just another AI tool for creating short clips or avatars. It's a full-blown, 8K cinematic CGI studio in your browser, designed to help anyone, regardless of budget or skill, create professional-grade videos using the power of artificial intelligence. AI CGI-VFX Studio is an artificial intelligence-powered video creation platform that allows you to generate entire scenes, animations, and cinematic sequences with just a prompt. Unlike traditional video editing software that requires rendering, keyframing, green screens, and actors, this tool automates the entire process. The system uses advanced text-to-video AI, voice generation, scene modeling, and lighting simulation to generate realistic video output in up to 8K resolution. Users can type in a prompt, select a few key parameters, and let the system do the heavy lifting, all within minutes. The first major feature is full 8K CGI rendering. Most AI video generators max out at 720p or 1080p, but this studio renders everything in cinematic 8K clarity. This makes it ideal for commercial ads, movie sequences, trailers, and even entire animated films. The second feature is AI voice integration. The platform can automatically assign voiceovers to characters in over 150 languages and dialects, using emotional tone detection and lip sync accuracy. You don't need to record or upload anything manually. The AI matches speech to scene and character lip movement in real time. Third, the tool includes dynamic scene rendering, meaning environments adapt to the story. Whether it's a sunset on Mars or a rainy street in Tokyo, the platform knows how to build it. Fourth, their intelligent camera work, pans, zooms, aerial shots, and angles are all AI generated based on the tone of the script. And finally, you get access to a massive asset library, characters, props, lighting, backgrounds, costumes, all generated with AI and available at your fingertips. AI CGI-VFX Studio is divided into 5 powerful modules. The main module is the CGI Studio, which handles the core video generation. The second module is the Audio Studio, which lets you edit, mix, and generate music and sound effects to match your scenes. Third, there's 3Dverse, a drag-and-drop 3D scene creator that lets you customize characters, environments, and props before rendering. Fourth, the agency license module is for freelancers and studios who want to sell these videos as a service. And finally, the VFX Toolkit module lets you enhance specific scenes with overlays, motion tracking, particle effects, explosions, and more. This tool is ideal for a wide range of creators. YouTubers and content creators can use it to generate intros, explainers, trailers, and full stories without filming a single frame. Educators and trainers can develop visual lessons, story-based tutorials, or animated course modules. Digital marketers can create high-converting ads and product showcases without hiring production teams. Filmmakers and animators can prototype scenes, develop storyboards, or even produce full-length films on a budget. Agencies and freelancers can build custom content for clients across industries, from real estate walkthroughs to cinematic book trailers. Imagine you're a business coach who wants to tell a story about client transformation. Instead of filming actors or animating characters, you simply type the prompt, "A man sitting in his home office, looking stressed about his business," then fast forward to him confidently delivering a webinar to a large virtual audience, with uplifting music in the background. Within minutes, the platform will generate a full cinematic scene showing that transformation. Or say you're launching a new tech product. You can script a sci-fi style teaser trailer with futuristic visuals, custom branding, and AI narration, all without hiring a production crew. You could even make animated shorts, music videos, or mini documentaries with complete creative control and minimal cost. The pricing model is refreshingly straightforward. Each of the 5 modules costs only $14 as a one-time payment. That means you can get started with the core CGI Studio for just $14 and upgrade to the additional modules as your needs grow. There are no monthly fees, subscriptions, or hidden upsells. This makes it ideal for creators who want full control without being locked into recurring payments. You pay once and get lifetime access, which is rare in the world of AI tools. There are also bundle offers where you can unlock all modules together at a discounted rate. Let's break down the pros and cons. The biggest pro is the quality of output. The visuals are stunning, lifelike, and professional grade. Another major advantage is the ease of use. There's no learning curve, no software to install, and no complicated workflows. It's all drag and drop, prompt-based creation. The voice generation is another standout, as is the flexibility of the 3D Verse module. On the downside, advanced editors might find the customization options slightly limited, particularly those looking to manually adjust every frame. Also, since it's a web-based tool, rendering speed can vary based on your internet connection and system resources. But for the vast majority of users, especially those who value speed, affordability, and automation, these are minor trade-offs. So, is AI CGI VFX Studio worth it? If you want to create stunning, original, AI-powered video content without touching a camera, hiring a team, or spending months in post-production, then absolutely. The speed, quality, and affordability make this a must-have tool for modern storytellers. Whether you're creating for fun, profit, or education, this platform gives you superpowers. It's not just a software tool, it's a production studio, animation house, and voiceover agency all rolled into one. And it's available to you for less than the cost of a single video editor's hourly rate. If you want to explore this tool for yourself, check out the link in the description. We've also prepared a full blog review that dives deeper into each module with examples and screenshots. Be sure to check that out if you want to see AI CGI VFX Studio in action. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.